Notice that onions these days are looking like they've been covered in some black soot, and no matter where you buy them from, they turn out to be the same quality. That's not mud, it's Aspergillus niger, a fungus that thrives in warm, humid spaces. It's found on onions, fruits, and even on your bathroom walls. So, why are we seeing this so often on onions these days? It's because, of course, the humid weather, then there's poor ventilation in storage, longer shelf times in the warehouse, and the musty dark stores of the quick commerce brands. And yes, it's a worrying thing because onions are used so often in our everyday cooking, right? Are these onions safe to eat? If the black stuff is only on the outer papery skin, peel it, wash it, and then cook it. But if you see these dark streaks inside the fleshy layers, then keep peeling it until you hit a clean pink white flesh. If the onion has a musty smell or slimy texture, then just throw it away. Some strains of these fungus can produce mycotoxins, which are linked to nausea and very rarely liver issues. So, here are some smart ways to handle these onions. Always wash your hands and your chopping board with soap after cutting these kind of black onions because these spores can hitchhike to other foods and trigger allergies. Store onions in mesh baskets for better ventilation and never plastic bags or closed boxes. Buy fresh, not in bulk, and buy it personally from a store. You have better chances of getting good quality onions rather than buying from apps, from where I've always found that they are covered in black soot. Fun fact, Niger spores are so hardy they've been found in Egyptian tombs. So your kitchen doesn't need to be their next colony. And to sum it up, black powder on the skin of the onion, peel, wash, and cook. Black or slimy inside the core, discard it. It's not worth the risk. Have you noticed?